Hi guys, getting set up to paint the hood. Stretching the cord over me, getting ready to do the driver's side. After a little bit here, I get a spot. Turns out my cup on the gun was loose. Tightened it up, got interrupted and had a lapse there. That's what happens with the real painting. Not always going to be perfect. Just continue on, do what you can. In this case, I will have to sand that out and then buff, which I was going to do anyways, but have to get it. I got, I think, 3 or 4 drops on the left driver's side. Rest of it was beautiful. 2.5 coats were beautiful, and then that. So there you go. Last half a coat we got issues. Here we're going for the passenger side. Again, I think this is the 3rd and final coat. 3 coats total. No issues with this side. Interesting, I did discover an issue with my gun, which it's a $19.99 gun, so what do you expect? But the lower half of the fan is spotty. It's not, I shouldn't say spotty, it's not a full fan on the lower half. And the fan adjustment knob is very sketchy. It's like it's stripped or something. It's how it feels. It isn't, but it's how it feels. So, I don't know. It's got a decent fan overall for a $19 spray gun, but the fan adjustment part is going to bother me.